Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Walt Disney World's Contemporary Resort. I am in front of their Christmas tree, getting ready to head over to the Magic Kingdom so that we can get started on looking at all of the holiday offerings they have to offer, holiday snacks, the cavalcades, everything that they have to offer today. I'm gonna go check it out. Got my Christmas attire on. We're ready. Let's go. There's honestly nothing more beautiful than the Magic Kingdom during the holidays. I'm gonna get in line for this photo pass here in front of the Christmas tree right on Main Street. See if I can get a good picture. Oh, we get to see the 100-acre crew come through. Rabbit and Eeyore and Piglet are being drawn by a huge horse. One of my favorite Christmas decorations are these little toy soldiers. I think they're so cute. And typically you could see them during Once Upon a Christmas Parade, but you know, since we don't have that this year, that's as close as we get. Hey, friend.
You need all the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you. Kiss her once more, just for me. Holly jolly Christmas. What you need all the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you. Kiss her once more, just for me. Holly jolly Christmas.
Came into the Emporium to see if we had anything we needed to buy for Christmas merch. And I'm not disappointed. Like, look at that. A $15 mug, which isn't really that bad, honestly. These Park Pals are so cute, and they made Pluto into a reindeer. How cute. I really want to buy these ears, but I'm just not sure about it, but I think I should. The infamous sweater that everyone keeps buying, that I'm just not sure why. And Spirit jerseys. All of the mugs. This cute apron. I'm in love with this gingerbread house, but man, I would never use a cookie jar. I really don't need a cookie jar. We've got a Cookies for Santa plate with milk. How cute! A countdown calendar. So much stuff I do not need, but Disney will convince me to buy. I just had the best photo pass interaction. Like, she got the best pictures of me and tried so hard. Thank you, friend. Without PhotoPass, we would be nothing. The clouds in the sky right now versus the castle. Ugh. I can't. She is the main event. Santa's coming! I know him! Okay, so our first cavalcade of the day was super successful. We saw Santa and the reindeer and the elves. Now we're just waiting around for Mickey and Minnie and all the friends. Maybe we'll see the 100-acre wood characters again. But I think it's time to get something to eat. Okay, I lied at the beginning of this vlog because I thought the toy soldiers weren't coming. They're here. He's got a scarf. He said, hey, look at my scarf. Hey. Oh, what's he gonna do? Oh. Okay. I love that. And the other one's so like, today's today. Is he okay? Is he fine? He doesn't look fine. People are still riding Splash Mountain, and it's like 60 right now, but it was like 39 this morning. Also, Paula's here. Hi. Say hi to Paula. I'll put Paula's Instagram right here.
Oh, okay.
Because you're gonna follow Paula.
I guess so.
Yes, Paula makes fantastic Disney content as well. They don't look too wet. And they turned off the, wow, they are coming in really fast. Like, it looks like an iPad. Hi, was it fun? Did you guys have fun? They are coming, like they are running these logs. I don't think I've ever seen them go that fast.
I think so.
Really? Is that why we always get stuck at the end?
Yeah.
One of my favorite photo stops. With the castle and Santa's sleigh. Merry Christmas. No? Okay, that's fine. Alright, we're waiting in the line to get into the bakery to get the special cupcake for Christmas. What do we want? I think, I don't know. I don't know which one it is. Okay, so the special cupcake is in the Main Street Bakery. I thought that meant the confectionery, but it does mean Starbucks. So we already waited in line. So we got cookies, and now we're gonna go get the cupcake. All right, we finally found the place we were supposed to be coming to. Now we're going to get the cinnamon roll and the cupcake. And look who joined us.
Hey!
Hi, baby.
Hey, how's it going?
So all three of us are gonna take down all of this snackage.
I know. Wait,
And coffee.
I'm eating food.
Yeah, we got some snacks for you to try.
Harrison?
Where's Harrison?
We're trying food. Oh wait, there he is.
Okay, so we have our snacks that we're gonna try.
What's up?
We've got Mickey cookie. Looks like this on the back. We're all sanitized. P.S.
Wait, I'm not.
You better get sanitized.
Sandy.
Paul's gonna sanitize you.
Oh, wait, Sandy.
We've got a tiny gingerbread Mickey.
What is that?
Grapefruit. We've got the seasonal cupcake.
What season is it?
Christmas.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna like get it to focus on the cupcake. There we go. It has a special surprise in the middle. Oh, I'm gone. Tell it. And this is gonna fall apart if I try to lift it up, but I'm gonna lift it up anyway. It's a cinnamon roll.
And that's the thumbnail. Oh.
Cheers. Kind of hard.
Yep.
It's like a. I like it.
Like
though.
a butter cookie.
Do you call that vanilla? I call that no flavor.
It's like a butter cookie.
Okay, now that Mickey's gone, it's time for the gingerbread.
Oh, this is actual gingerbread. Actually, no, I
Here's
hope
here.
it's not actual. Actual
It smells
gingerbread.
like nutmeg.
Oh my god.
The gingerbread. It's not hard gingerbread.
No, it's not that gingerbread.
I think it's soft.
No, I'm hard.
Okay, maybe it's hard.
There's some resistance in the force.
Yeah, it's a little hard. Are you really gonna snack? Yes. you
Okay.
will.
Okay. So I mean, this
I'm gonna disrobe the cupcake while you talk.
this is probably closer to gingerbread, but it's kind of nasty.
It's a lot of nutmeg.
Disrobing the cupcake. So apparently when you... It's in there.
Yeah, it's kind of Mickey.
What? It's like the gooey icing.
I don't know if I like that. Okay, I'm gonna try like the top half first. Like the funfetti looking stuff. This is I don't know where to put this.
I disinfected the table.
Oh, okay. I want a light bulb. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be very attractive.
Just don't make eye contact with people as you eat.
I don't think I like that.
Why is it?
It's red velvet. Mickey.
It was all like slimy,
It doesn't
gooey, like
taste like nut. It just tastes like cream.
Yeah.
it's like a dense cream. Like it's like it
Did you
should be
taste
cake. Yeah,
Oh.
it's like it should be cake, but it's not. That's like that's like a pudding if it was like
That's
left
just
out
sugar.
for a while
Like
and it
pure
was
sugar.
like,
That's it. Okay, well that was fun. Next is
oh, these suck. Look at the tripod icing. Oh, you did it.
I'm most excited for this one, I think, because it's just bread.
Here's your bread.
Oh my god.
Oh,
It's a croissant with cinnamon.
well,
That's what I expected though.
nothing different than what they usually put out.
I
Icing does
expected
remind
some
me.
icing.
The icing reminds me of the
What?
bowl of
I expected
fries.
some icing. Yeah, like real icing.
We just lit up. We are all lit up and waiting for the pyro. The sunset right now is wild. Not you.
It's heckin' beautiful.
Just like her. There we are. Okay. Everything starts at 6 o'clock, so we're just kind of hanging out. It's cold here. Waiting for the casual projections to start. You look like you're gonna rob a bank.
I'm just trying to rob your heart.
Goodbye. We're almost there. The sun is setting. It's almost gone. We're ready to see the pyro.
Why did that?
Please cease. Woo! That's it. And everybody just goes, woo! Good night, Magic Kingdom. Time to head out. But we're all lit up. We'll say goodbyes. Okay. Even the fountains are festive. Goodbye, Main Street. Bye, Christmas tree. I don't want to leave.
Oh, I hear Mickey!
Mickey! When we were leaving, we saw that Mickey and Minnie and Pluto and Alice and the Mad Hatter were saying goodbye. Goodbye. Bye, Mickey. Alright guys, I just got back to the car. It was a very long day, very cold, long day at Magic Kingdom. It is 55 degrees, which isn't very cold to other people, but for Floridians, we are frozen to death. Like, I'm wearing a winter jacket. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you coming along on our adventures. We had a really fun day today. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. It's fun. It's a good time. So I'm gonna go get some crab fries at Disney Springs and go home and warm up. Bye.